Hello, I'm Natasha Welihena and I am a fashion and textile student. The reason why I chose fashion and textiles specifically is because I really like creating textiles and textures. I actually like the mark making process and the research process in creating textures from the start to the end point. That is why I actually chose the textiles programs specifically. So my final collection, Boomi, is a collection that has been developed for over 1.5 years from my second year, and it's a combination of all my work from the first year. So when I came to the first year here at AOD, my lecturers introduced me to the wabi-sabi effect from Japan, which I carried to my third year as well. And when I came to the second year, I realized that I was really scared of colors, and I used black as a canvas for all of the textures that I wanted to create. When I came to my third year and in my final collection, I really wanted to overcome the fear of color that I had from my first year itself. In creating my final year, I got the opportunity to collaborate with amazing industrial companies here in Sri Lanka. Eskimo for my knits, where I developed my knits for over 6 months there, and Orit Apparels, where I developed textures and dyes and the garment, silhouette and all of it, and many more new techniques for over 3-4 months. My final year collection, Boomi, on a research point of view, observes a lot of spiritual well-beings and communities that actually practices spiritualism in their day-to-day lives. Some of the communities that I observed were hippies, sadhus from India, and Zen monks from Japan, and also Tibetan monks from Tibet. The reason why I chose these specific communities specifically is because all of these communities had very interesting motifs, textures and many habits that they had developed throughout many years. So it was really interesting for me to take those inspiration, which was very raw and original, and put it to a very new contemporary outfit which can be which will be available internationally and globally. It was definitely a challenge to put all of these 3 vibes together into one lineup. However, we finally managed to put everything together in a successful way after looking through all of the garments in a silhouette perspective, textural perspective and color perspective separately.